Hi everyone, welcome to Module 3, Ethics, Security, and Data Management in IT. Now this week is a big one because we're covering two things that sit underneath everything you'll do in business analytics. How you handle data responsibly and how you protect it and manage it correctly. Now in the real world this matters because analytics isn't just charts and dashboards. Analytics is influence. It affects decisions about people, money, risk, opportunities, and strategy. If you understand analytics, or if you don't understand ethics and security, you can build something that works and still causes real world harm. It can do things like privacy violations, bias outcome, make bad decisions, or even have yourself do some little bit of data exposure. And if you don't understand databases and data quality, you'll spend your career fighting broken reports, mismatched numbers, and decisions based on very bad information. So this module is about becoming the best or becoming the kind of professional organizations can actually trust. And we're going to be learning a few different things in it. In chapter 5, we're going to focus on IT ethics and security. By the end of it, you should be able to explain common ethical issues in technology, understand privacy, consent, surveillance, and bias, and you'll be able to distinguish things like hackers versus viruses, because those are very different threats and require very different responses. In chapter 6, we're going to shift into data value and data management, where you'll learn what makes data valuable using the ACCT model. We'll have accuracy, completeness, consistency, and timelines, what a database is, and what a DBMS does. And finally, you're going to be learning about why relational databases still matter for business and reporting and analytics. Now for this week, what you're going to do is you're going to follow in order. You don't really want to jump around a lot. You're going to start with your pre-quiz. This is your baseline check. Don't stress about it. It's meant to show you what you already know. Then you're going to go into the lectures. You're going to take notes because exam questions comes from those core concepts. You're going to do your reading, which is chapters 5 and 6, along with the SMART book. This is where you build your vocabulary and go in deeper understanding. And our big assignment for every section is always our case study. You'll apply the ethics to a real situation involving privacy and consumer data. Always be very specific and use your evidence, your world experiences, and your own knowledge. Next, you'll do your Power BI assignment. This week, we're reinforcing the idea of relationships and data structure because good analytics depends on good data modeling. And at the very end, you're going to take your module exam. It's a single attempt, so don't open it until you're ready to sit down and fully complete it. And just like every module, everything is always going to be due by the deadline on the pacing schedule on Friday at 5 p.m. And of course, late work is not going to be accepted. So if you take nothing else from Module 3, take this. Good analysts don't just ask, what can we do with the data? They ask, what should we do? What could go wrong? And how do we protect people and the business? All right, jump into Module 3, follow the workflow, and reach out early if you have any problems. But otherwise, you should be good, and hit me if you need me. Bye, guys.